see a fish?
I can dress up too. Day for school and garden. Oh yes, perfect day for fishing too.
Are you a fish? Are you a fish? What does the kitty say? Nom. A kitty says nom. What does the kitty say? What does the cow say?
Here's my bone.
What does the bumblebee say? What does the dog say? What does the puppy say?
You have to be careful, folks.
Is that a kitty? What does the kitty say?
Thank you, Father Bear.
What does the kitty say?
I'll find your perfect fishing spot.
Is that a kitty?
Far? No, not too far.
What does the puppy say?
This looks like the perfect spot.
Is that a kitty?
Are we fishing now? Mm-hmm.
What does the fishy say? What does the fishy do?
So good. I think the fish are sleeping.
What, are you talking to me? Is that a kitty?
Lucy thinks you and I are a very nice couple, and she's getting married.
You're full of blueberry juice.
She says two people who
Blueberries.
together.
Yum, yum. Did you like the blueberries?
Do that.
Yeah, were they good?
First we have money to get.
Yeah? What's that?
A bunch
Bite?
of flowers. I already think
Say bye-bye. You say wait, bye-bye. 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 Yeah?